guys, welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe, and today we are going to be making Burlap snap tray. The Burlap snap tray has a simple rustic look with vivid color, and as a great home decor, it's available in many popular designs and perfect for holding loose change, keys, wallet, and more. We provide two sizes for you, so welcome to contact us if you are interested. Okay, now let me show you the supplies for sublimation with you, a heat press machine, and today we are going to use our Galaxy A04 to do the diamond, and sublimation blanks, sublimation templates, Teflon sheet, heat-resistant glue, and heat-resistant tape. Before printing, here are some tips for you. Firstly, to prevent glue from overflowing, advisable temperature and time is 180 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds. You can also choose changeable lower platen to handle different size trays. Secondly, preheating for 5 seconds to remove the moisture and give you a nice printing surface. Thirdly, put the Teflon sheet on both sides before printing, making sure that there's no excess ink or anything from the previous application that's going to the transfer over to the products and keep the machine clean. So before preheating, we need to change the lower platen to a smaller one. And put the burlap tray and Teflon sheet. Now let's preheating for 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. Okay, now let's tape this template. Okay, that's it. The printing temperature and time I set is 180 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds with large pressure. Okay, now let's put the snap tray and Teflon sheet. Let's start pressing. Okay, time's up. Let's see this amazing result. So now let's print the big one, and we also need to change a bigger lower platen. And put the Teflon sheet, preheating for 5 seconds. Up. Okay, now let's tape it down. Healthy life. Okay, now let's start pressing. Okay, time's up. Okay, let's see this Winlead color. The Burlap snap tray is a perfect gift for your birthday or family member's house, warming gifts, or even just as a casual gift. And you'll find the link in the description below. We also provide you other Burlap scissors products like bag, coaster, banner, and so on. If you have any tips or suggestions about developing new products for sublimation, please do not hesitate to leave your message below. We are always willing to listen. I help you know better about how to print the Burlap snap tray. Thank you for watching and see you next time.